Hey, what's up guys? Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. So, iOS 26 just dropped on iPhone, and honestly, a lot of people, especially on the 17 and even older iPhones, are getting stuck on the Apple logo after updating or restarting. Super annoying, right? But don't panic, I've got you covered. The first thing I usually try is ReiBoot. It's super simple. Just plug your iPhone into your computer. Next, open ReiBoot, hit Start Repair, and tap Fix Now and choose Standard Repair. It'll start downloading the firmware, and once that's done, it'll reload the system without touching your photos, chats, or apps. Seriously, this is the fastest and safest way if you don't want to risk losing data. Sometimes, though, your phone just needs a quick kick. A force restart often does the trick. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo disappears and comes back. Usually, that little trick gets you out of the loop. If that doesn't work, updating through iTunes or Finder can help. Connect your iPhone to your computer, and the software should detect it. Then you can update or restore your iPhone. It's a bit more hands-on, and yeah, sometimes it gets stuck, but it's a solid option. And if all else fails, the old-school battery trick works surprisingly often. Just let your iPhone drain completely. Don't touch it, don't charge it, just let it die. Once it's totally off, plug it back in, charge it up, and power it on. More often than not, it boots up just fine. So yeah, if your iPhone 17 or even an older model is frozen on the Apple logo after iOS 26, try ReiBoot. First, for the safest experience, give a force restart a shot, use iTunes Finder if needed, or let the battery drain as a last resort. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments if you've run into the same issue. Catch you in the next one.